was fun.
Sure, at least. I think so, yeah.
Well, yeah, because you know why they do that, right?
Video protected.
There she goes.
Don't get greasy.
Now she's gonna. Of course, she's gonna get greedy.
I know where you're going, lady.
Yeah, you're leaning into you fucking little.
I don't think that truck is gonna let you in.
I don't think he cares about the truck. I think he just cares about you.
No, he's not gonna
No,
let
maybe he is gonna get in front of the
that truck is not gonna let him in. He just.
Oh no, he just hit the gas pedal.
Yeah.
Oh no, here comes CRV.
Yeah, he just floored it.
Yeah, because he's an asshole. Because I need to get in front. Here he goes.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, he just hit the gas pedal. The asshole in the ass. What a dickhead. Fuck, I hate people. This isn't a raceway, jackass.
Do I, but again, it's not like it's a special day that it's the one day a year that you have sexy time, right?
No, well, you better hope not.
Yeah, leftover Christmas goodies, like if you have like chocolates or something like that you
Must be late for work.
It's famous now.
Zone to Binkley. Binkley on the wing, intercepted by Halifax. Virgilio from Jean-Denis up on the wing to Lounsbury on the way back. He'll redirect it in.
You usually burp. Oh, they will growl them.
Captain second of the year, assisted by. There it is, Preston Lounsbury and Max Willett make it 7.